Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Agino, checking in on silver. And by the way, if you're new here, please subscribe, please ring the bell, and share information. Follow us on Twitter, Path_trading. Leave comments, send in the things you want to see. Support of Path Trading Partners. Okay, so last time we did silver, we had a 24.16 level. This is a 4-hour chart you see, and yesterday closing slightly above that. Then we had 24.78 to 25.09, gapping right into that range and pausing there, right in that cluster. Already updated the retracement levels. By the way, the next major level up is 26.32. Gonna update these minor levels with this pausing bar. So, real quick, on a breakout above today's highs, we're looking for 26.32 to 26.47, then 27.65. Those are the next key levels higher. If you need other levels beyond that, that's where you start going for the daily and weekly charts and looking back in history. But we haven't been at this price in a while. That's why we also use the Gann projections or the 8th harmonic projections. We still have a gap here with the rising 4-hour rotation zone. So if we start trading below today's low, we're going to be watching that gap fill all the way up down to 24.24. The rotation zone's 23.88, so those are going to converge. So that would be the first area of support I'd watch. If we drop below that, I'd be watching the prior breakout area with this little run up, and you can actually see this. Let's switch to the daily chart so you can see how it paused for a few days, letting the rotation zone catch up and then blasting off. So this is why we use the rotation zone concept, and when it pulls too far away, we're expecting a pullback or a pause, and letting the rotation zone reconnect with price action, then expecting the next move up. So that's what we'll be watching for. So that next area of major support, we'd be watching about 22.80 to about 23. Those are the next key areas. How long has it been since it's been a long time. Remember last time it ran up to 50. So let's see. So right now we're trading actually, if we start getting above, wow, there's a lot of open space up here, a lot of stuff to trade into, because the next major area to resistance is right around that 26 area. And then I'm just looking over here at past, and then above that we'd be looking about 27. So just in past areas, that's what we're watching. But I'm going to be really focused on these Gann levels that we have. Let me zip back here. That we're watching over here. If we break to new highs, those are my levels I'll be really focused on. That's what we have for you on silver. We'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.